Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed we've got a bunch of different projects that you can learn how to create in Scratch. One of them is the interactive store display, and in this one, it allows you to click on different objects to basically interact with the store display, hence the name. I want to show you a neat idea that kind of takes this idea and it steps it up to a whole new level. So the project we are going to look at is called Vibe Room, and it is by Discomfort. At least I assume that is how you pronounce the name. Press the green flag, and we've got all sorts of different things that we can interact with here. Like, let's see, what happens when I do this? Ooh, can close the window. And what if we click right here? Oh, this is my book. School wasn't very good. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, can I click on other parts? No, can't click there. Can't change the weather. Can I drink? Oh, what about if I do this? Oh. Interesting. So we can do all sorts of different stuff with our little interactive environment. So this was a really neat idea. I love it. If you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it, and maybe I will do a video on your neat idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.